Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
FAS has reacted to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu's request for a peace walk as part of efforts to ensure harmony in the state. The governor, in a statement on Tuesday, November 30th, said he will lead the peace walk in order to herald the healing of the land in the face of the misinformation and misunderstanding following the recent leak of a report by the Judicial Panel of Inquiry on the EndSARS debacle. According to him, our state deserves true healing after the disturbances that trade last year's protests against police brutality. It is only the sustenance of harmony that can guarantee the realization of aspirations of all residents. The state is currently faced with hard choice of restoring harmony or doing itself great harm. I appeal to Lagosians to reject those fueling anarchy and suspicion, clinging to the unsubstantiated belief that carries no weight of verifiable evidence and choosing emotion over hard facts. Our administration is ready to facilitate better communication between the youth and the state security machinery to resolve issues before they become intractable. To quicken recovery and engender a better understanding, he said, I will lead a walk for peace in December to herald the healing of the land. I have extended an open invitation to the youth, members of the diplomatic corps, civil society groups, students and the media, as well as other stakeholders to join me in the peace walk. And it is in this vein that FAS has reacted. He said the suggestion for a walk of peace sounds like a joke and very disrespectful one to him. People were murdered in cold blood and absolutely no iota of justice has been served more than a year after. How can there be peace without justice? In this same speech, you said to be a smart city, the first must be just one. Remember the young Nigerians that had their lives snatched away by weapons wielded by our own armed forces. You want to sweep that under the carpet? Is that how to establish a just city? Young Nigerians till today are still being constantly harassed and extorted by police officers. You were awfully quiet about that. Or are you not aware? EndSARS.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.